Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Where is Brittany? I'm Brittany and I'm coming to you from inside of my beautiful tiny home on wheels, Domino. So today I just wanted to give you guys a quick update because two new things have happened recently this past week and I just wanted to keep everybody informed. So as you can see, I'm in Domino, which means she is back from the mechanic. I have all of the write-up right here and I just want to let you guys know what the deal is, because I mean, to be honest, these things happen. It was a pretty penny, but I will say Domino hasn't needed any type of repairs or anything like that other than like the oil change and stuff this year, so we'll just chuck it up to normal wear and tear. So let's look at the write-up. So for initially I took Dom in because her check engine light was on and also she had an oil leak. Per the diagnostic, they stated that they needed to replace Domino's side exhaust manifold on the passenger side. Her steering gearbox was actually leaking, so they needed to replace that. And then they also removed contaminated power steering fluid. They flushed the system and refilled all of her fluids. They performed a tune-up with new spark plugs and wiring, and they also gave Dom an oil change. And with that, I was able to get a nice little student discount, which they gave me $80 off. That in conjunction with the with the veterans or military discount, I was able to get both. So they took $80 off, but the grand total was $2,088.51 to get all of this taken care of. And thinking about it, like, it does sound like a large number, but if we go back to when I initially purchased Domino, I talk about this in my bus tour that I'm gonna put out next week, but I only paid $3,200 for Domino, and after I got her in an online auction, which I do not recommend, but once we picked her up, you know, I actually had to put another $3,500 to $4,000 into Domino for like her mechanical work, new parts and everything, because the people who owned her prior, they really didn't take good care of her. So I ultimately got her, you know, to be good and roadworthy, so I can like have a peace of mind while I'm on the road. So that was a little over a year ago. And so fast forward to now, I just put another $2,000 into Dom, but so much work was completed for this $2,000, and it was a lot cheaper being in Nevada compared to trying to get the work done in, let's say, San Francisco, California. So yes, I have Dom back. She's good to go now, and I can actually start working on my diesel heater, which that's the next project I'm not looking forward to, but we're gonna knock this thing out. And the second update, I'll just show you. Okay, friends, I have a new baby. And her name is Jada, and she is 7.5 weeks old, and she is a Shorkie, which is a Shih Tzu mixed with Yorkie, and I am in love. I'm so excited and I'm so happy, and I'm tired. I'm exhausted because I'm not getting much sleep and stuff, but my heart is like almost full again, and I don't want to like get all emotional and stuff like that, but I'm happy. I'm just happy to have her, and it's only been a few days, but yeah. So that's Jada, and that's pretty much it. That's literally what I wanted to let you guys know. Domino repairs, Domino is all good to go, and I'm all good to go because I have a Jada in my life. So I'm gonna put some videos in of her. She's so cute. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's basically all I wanted to let you guys know. I do have a video. Come here. So I do have another video scheduled to come out later this week. So now would be a really good time to go ahead and hit that notification bell so you're alerted when it does drop. But other than that, I think I'm going to let you guys go because that's pretty much it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if that's something you like. And I'll see you guys on the next adventure. Bye. No, it's okay. We're gonna get you a toy.